Alright. Oh, right. It is your turn to pick. My pick. I pick pear, guava, and strawberry.
Can I smell it?
Smells. Oh, I can smell the pear.
I can smell guava.
I haven't had guava before, so
It's kind of good.
kinda good. Okay, that doesn't help.
It's very.
It's like apple.
It's definitely like
Sauce,
puree.
kinda. I think, maybe. Okay.
Hold on.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Mhm.
4. Where's my number? Can't find my number. 4. 4. Give me one. Okay. So pear, guava, strawberry gets 4.
Pack it down.
You can't even